ready?
Yes.
Hello guys, this is Name with Family Travel Africa, and I'm here with Azah, whom you know so well right now because we're always in the kitchen together. And today we are going to make some puff pastry hearts. We're really excited because this pastry only takes 5 ingredients, right Azah?
Yes.
You want to show everyone how it's done?
Yes.
Let's get started. So Azah, you're pretty excited to show us how this is done, right?
Yes.
Okay, so show us what you got here.
So I have this puff pastry.
Puff pastry, yeah. 2 sheets.
Yeah, 2 sheets. And I have this guava.
That's some guava paste.
Yeah, guava paste. And one egg.
1 egg.
And I have some flour.
You're going to use the flour to dust.
Yeah.
And what is all this, Azah?
This?
Mm-hmm. You've got, well, tell me what utensils you're going to use. I see a rolling pin.
So I have water.
Okay, so that's still one of your ingredients.
And then I have a rolling pin and a brush and a pizza color.
Nice. All right, Azah, this doesn't take too long, so you're going to walk us through it, right?
Yes. Pastry out, and now I'm going to follow the lines where I cut it.
Okay, so you're using
The pizza cutter.
the pizza cutter. I can help hold that so it doesn't move. And so the key was to let the puff pastry thaw a little bit to make it easier to cut. Okay? And you know you can always ask Mama if you need some help, but you're doing a really good job. Just try to trace that out for you. And the great thing about the pizza cutter is you won't cut yourself, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
You
yeah.
don't want to use a real knife.
The real knife might be a little harder.
Yeah, so that's why the Bobby's always doing.
Yes. Okay. So we'll come back and show you what that looks like. Great work, Azah. Azah, you're working on your 2nd sheet now.
Yep.
I really like the way you're using your pizza cutter. You're doing a great job. So Azah is now using her rolling pin to roll out her heart. Just get it nice and smooth because when it was folded up in the box it did have some grooves in it. And it gives it just a thinner thickness, which is going to be helpful because you know we're going to be twisting and turning, right, Azah?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Looks great. Rolling the other one. And that kind of closes those creases also. And spreads it nice out. It's great. So we just cut our guava paste into these little bits here, like slithers. And you're going to go ahead and put them on our pastry. Okay?
This one.
Okay.
And 2.
You want to put them across like that? That will work. I'm going to help you on the other side. And I'm actually going to angle mine. I'll follow you. How about that?
And 4.
You wonder how many of these we'll need, right? You might have been onto the right idea there. Let's see.
I'll stop counting.
You stopped counting?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't know if it's too much for me.
You can count. And when you feel like you can not go any further, you just ask me and I'll count with you. Yeah. Maybe put a little more over here. We're just going to cover it all up. So we've covered it all up, and now we just need to use our other sheet. See if you can place it, match up the shapes as best you can.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so let's try to even cover this up a little bit more so we don't have any just sticking out, okay? And then we're going to start our cutting again.
Yeah.
Covered our heart, guava completely. We're going to start cutting it toward the middle and kind of like a star shape because we're going to make those twirls and twists. All right? Ooh, the oven's ready, 400 degrees. That's what we're going to put it in. Right? Yep.
Yeah.
Time to twirl. So I'm going to show you how to do it first, and then you'll show everyone else, right? Yes. Our heart to our parchment paper on the baking sheet. And Azah is just twisting around 3 times each of our cuts. And then we'll be ready to put it in the oven. Looks like now, all twirled, right, Azah?
Yes.
So the last step is to
Put some.
we'll crack your egg. Remember that egg you had? Yep. And we're gonna.
I forgot my fork.
Oh, you're gonna use your fork. Yes, you can. Okay. And then you're going to crack the egg and you're going to beat it with that tablespoon of water. Okay? So let's do it. And make sure we get that pretty good. Doing a great job, Azah. Yes, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. 15 minutes or so. All right, Azah. It's about to go in the oven. So awesome. All right, good job, Azah. I love the way your heart looks. Take a look at it from that angle. And now we're just gonna dust it with some powdered sugar. And then we're gonna get to munching.
I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe.